Capital gains tax is a tax that's charged on the profit that you make when you dispose of an asset that has increased in value. Not all assets are liable to capital gains tax, but those that are called chargeable assets. If you've inherited assets, it's important to know whether you are liable for capital gains tax on those assets and how much you will be liable for. The good news is that an estate doesn't have to pay capital gains tax on any assets that weren't sold before the person died. Any gains that may be within those assets are known as unrealised gains. If you then inherit a property or other assets, you may have to pay capital gains tax when you go to sell it. If the asset's value has risen since the person's death, beneficiaries inherit assets at their probate value. This is the value at the date of the person's death. If you then sell or give the asset away, you will pay capital gains tax on the increase in value from when the person died, the date of death, to when it was sold or given away. That is assuming that the asset is a chargeable asset. For details on what counts as a chargeable asset, check out my video, Capital Gains Tax for Individuals, Chargeable Assets and How Much You Pay, using the link on the screen now or click through from the description below. Of course, every individual has a capital gains tax free allowance, which is currently £12,300 each tax year. The allowance is frozen at this level until April 2026. This means you can make a profit from the sale of chargeable assets up to £12,300 a year without paying any capital gains tax. You then pay CGT, capital gains tax, on the gains above this level at differing rates, dependent upon your income level and the type of asset. New rules introduced in April 2020 means that you need to report and pay any capital gains tax due to HMRC within 60 days for any residential property sold belonging to somebody or to the estate. The 60 days starts when the sale completes. Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. I'm Justin King. I'm a chartered certified financial planner. My aim is to help people live successful lives. And in my experience, that often involves understanding your money. I also have a podcast called the Retirement Cafe Podcast you might like to check out. I'll put a link in the description below. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, press the like button to help more people like you find my channel. For now, I'm Justin King, helping you live your best life.